What's going on then, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another motovlog. Today is Sunday, and as promised I'm back with another video. So I thought today we would do a little experiment, as it's a little bit cooler now. It's still like 28 degrees and I'm in a hoodie and a leather jacket, so I'm sweatier than a priest in an orphanage. But anyway, I thought we would do a little experiment and see if we can get this thing through the Mackey's drive-thru. I don't know how awkward that's going to be. I've sort of got a plan for how it's going to work in terms of paying and everything, but we'll see. Alright, so before we actually go and make our way to McDonald's, I need to fill up with fuel because I have work tomorrow and I don't fancy running out when I've only got 31 miles of range. So yeah, we're going to go and sort that one out. But yeah, if this is your first time to the channel or you're coming back and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It always puts a smile on my face to see new people looking at the channel, and I hope you're all having a wonderful day as always. I sound like an airline pilot saying that. So I forgot to mention in my last video that I've actually taken my mirrors back off, which I didn't think about for this because we've got to go down dual carriageway and swap lanes quite a bit, so that's going to be pretty sketchy. But just going to have the old head on a swivel. Come on, Granny. There's the petrol station. That's a sight for sore eyes at the moment. Whoa. Fill her up with some sex G's. It's too hot for this. We're trapped under the... There you go. Why are you not? Here we go, fucking hell. That only took half an hour for them to actually activate that pump. What's that? 10 quid to fill her up, not bad. Right, well I'm going to go and pay for this and then I'll see you in a tick. Well, that only took about half an hour because there was one person on the till and about 8 people wanting to pay for fuel. Alright, let's fucking go to Mackey's. Nice to have a bit of open visor and get some breeze in. Holy shit, it's hot. So I'm hoping it won't be too busy. What is it, 4:45? So it's not really dinner time, as I called it, yet. But I'm hoping it'll be a little bit quieter than it usually is, because usually it's pretty busy, this one that we're heading to. The Mackey's, that is. Tunnels are the best thing with a loud exhaust. Another thing that's probably worth a mention about this bike as well, because it's so light, a full tank of fuel makes the difference. It stinks like weed, holy shit. Yeah, like a full tank of fuel completely makes the difference. I'm so heavy right now compared to what I was before, but it's quite nice because the vibes are less, where you have more weight, and yeah, sort of baffles it out a bit more. That's probably not the right word, baffles, but you know what I mean. It's less vibey, where you've got a full tank of fuel and more weight. airflow on this helmet, I've got to be honest, Rear Rock have done a fantastic job on this helmet with the airflow. It's so good, especially on a hot day like today where it's needed. It's so nice. So yeah, we've got a bit of a cruise on the dual carriageway now up to Mackey's, and then we'll see what happens and get some din-dins. I love that about being a biker. You feel a bit special when you get nodded at, especially being on L plates. It's pretty cool, in my opinion. I don't know why, but it feels like it's got more acceleration when it's filled with fuel. I don't know whether that's just momentum wise or what's going on there, but yeah, up to 60 nice and easy compared to what it usually does. It usually takes a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna go for it. We need to be in this lane anyway, so yeah. Alright, get past that tractor nice and easy. Shitting myself, thought I was going to get hit by a hay bale maybe, but apparently not, we're all good. Alright, so yeah, here is the busiest roundabout in Hampshire. It's not actually, I just think it might be. Just got a contender. Might be a contender for it. Alrighty then. I'm going to pull up and sort my shit out before we go in. Alright, here's the plan. We are going to take my gloves off so I can get to my phone easy and pay. And then we're going to put my bag on my front so I can shove shit in it easy. And also ditch the gloves. Let's see how well this looks. That's not going to work at all, is it? It might do. We might be alright. Okay. Let's go see how this works. Oh, and there's a bit of a queue. Fair enough. It was expected. Oh, my bike's just falling down, you mental. Just want to keep it on the back and then put it around the front. It's going to be easier. Did my glove fall off? No. Good. I've always wanted to filter up the middle of these, but yeah, you'd probably get some dirty looks. Wouldn't be surprised. I've never done this before, so this is a first experience. But I can't wait off to get inside, and I'm hungry, so yeah. We'll see who orders first. I don't want to go one way and then could have gone quicker the other way. Is that me that's fanning? I don't think it is. I don't even know what I want. Come on. Alright, can I get a quarter pounder with cheese?
Is it a meal or not?
Yeah, can I just get it with large fries and a bottle of water?
Yeah, of course.
Cheers. That's everything.
Alright, man, thank you, have a good day.
Cheers. I thought I was going to have to switch my engine off for that, but apparently it's not as loud as I thought. What a shame. I have to get my I don't know what the fuck I'm going to do with my phone. Actually, I'll be alright, just hold my clutch in and do it. I'm going to let this guy go because he's been queuing for a while. At least, like, I didn't get told to fuck off and go inside. That would have been a bit embarrassing. But no, the video idea held up. How's it going? Yeah. Cool. Cheers, buddy. Has that gone through, yeah? Has that gone through? Sound. Yeah, cheers, you too. A nice guy at the window. I thought he said he hadn't gone through. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna have to get my wallet out. Hold all these lovely people that are going to Mackey's up. Holy shit, the amount of dip that shouldn't drop there. Barbecue fools by the looks of it. Oh wait, give me 2 secs. Fucking neutral. Cheers. Neutral's always a bitch on this. Cheers, thank you. Alright. This is stressful. Let's fuck off and never do that again. Alright, I'm just going to pull over and check, because you know what McDonald's employees are like, with onion and chile. So we're just going to check they've actually given me what I ordered. It is my bike that's making a fucking noise. I've never had that before. Right. Let's check if we've got this quarter pounder with cheese, boys. So we have large fries and a quarter pounder of cheese. Sound. Well then, boys and girls, that's been pretty much it for the video. That was the most stressful 5 minutes of my life. Fucking hell, it just would not go into neutral. I don't know why, but it was not having it going into neutral. So yeah, well, the answer to the question, can you take a bike through the McDonald's drive-thru, is apparently yes, you can. But you might get PTSD from it. So I guess that's sort of a life lesson, really. But anyway, I'm hoping this sun, the heat, will keep my Mackies warm until I get back home. I could just eat it at the roadside like a Jippo, but I'm not going to do that. So yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Again, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. Comment anything in the comments if you want to know about the bike. It's a KTM G125. So yeah, if you want to know anything about the bike, about me, about content ideas I have, or if you're from Hampshire and you want to go for a ride and make a motovlog or do something with me, then I'll be well up for that. To anyone who wants to come and join me. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good one, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good day, my brothers and sisters.